What's the meaning of Amway? Amway. 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 Amway.
Amway is a multi-level marketing company that sells health, beauty and home care products. The name Amway stands for American Way, which is reflective of the company's origins in the United States. Amway operates in over 100 countries around the world, providing opportunities for individuals to become distributors and earn income from the sales of Amway products. The company has faced criticism and controversy over its business practices, including accusations of being a pyramid scheme. However, it continues to operate and has a loyal following of distributors and customers.